Hey, Tyler here with Website Hosting Guides, and I'm going to show you real quick how to set up a Namecheap domain name on your Shopify account. So the two things that you need to do this, the first is a domain name from Namecheap, and the second is a Shopify account. If you need Shopify, check out this link here, which I'll also put below the video, to see what kind of promotions are currently going on with that. Now that you have Shopify, you can go ahead and log into your Shopify account. And if it's your first time logging in, it'll look something like this. And you can click Add Domain. If you already have had one, you'll need to click Online Store and click Domains to get to the spot where we can connect our Namecheap account. Next, click Connect Existing Domain, and then type in the domain name that you want to connect here from Namecheap, and click Next. Next thing we'll want to do is click Follow the Namecheap instructions, and this is going to give us two things that we need. The first is the IP address, which is right here, and then the second is the Cname record. First, go ahead and copy this record right here, and now we'll log into Namecheap, and we can hover over this little house and click Advanced DNS. Okay, once we get here, we want to update the IP address right here. So just go ahead and delete the one that's currently there and paste this record in. Next, click Save. Now we need to go back to the Shopify directions, and we'll want to pull this address here. So click the copy box, and now we'll go back to Namecheap. We'll need to add a new record, so we'll click Add New Record, and we're adding a Cname record, so make sure to do that. For host, we want that to be www, and the target, we'll just paste in this right here, which we had previously copied, and click Save. And let's just click Save All Changes too, just to be safe. Alright, so we have the domain name properly set up from Namecheap. Now we need to go back to Shopify, and we'll want to verify the connection. Now, since we just set this up, it could take a couple minutes, maybe up to 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll be right back to finish these steps. So it's been about 15 minutes or so. Now I'm going to click Verify Connection. And it's just going to verify that everything is connected properly. Perfect, so it looks like it connected properly. Now we go here and we can choose which domain we want to work on there, and click Save. And that's it. You've just connected your Namecheap account to your Shopify account. Again, if you need Shopify, go ahead and check out this link to see any current promotions going on. If you like videos like this, go ahead and visit us at websitehostingguides.com. And to learn more about Shopify and more tutorials, go to websitehostingguides.com/Shopify. Have a great day.